Alright, today is doing something very simple. Oil change only. And this is 2017 2018 Lexus RX350. So down here is very simple. You just drain plug right there for your oil, and you do have to use a socket number 14. Okay, now when you lose it, make sure have a container ready for oil. It will go crazy drip. Okay, there you go. So now just wait until the oil is finished. After you drain your oil, you plug the plug back up, and then don't forget to take the filters out. You need one of this socket right here, and you can purchase from Toyota. I'm not sure how much, but right around $20, something like that. Okay, and this is designed to open all Toyota, Lexus. Okay, this is the same. Lexus and Toyota basically is a Toyota. Upper class and Lexus is lower class is Toyota. So engine very much same one. Okay, and that go right here. Alright, so now oil kind of drip a little bit, so I'm gonna plug it in, clean real good. This kind of messy. Make sure clean all the dirty oils inside here. That's a new O-ring. Just take this old one out. Clean a little bit to make sure no dust, no dirt right here. And then put the O-ring back in. This is the new one. Filter. Sit in there and ready to plug it back in there. Make sure to wipe off this, all of this. Do not have any oil to keep the residue up here. Put the filter back up. Make sure it's tight. Clean this oil, messy oil. On this Lexus, they didn't put on right here, but it does have right here on the air vents. So engine oil is SAE0W20. So that's what you put in there. If you put something heavier than that, car still run fine, but you know, just put as the recommended right here. That is the brand, Mobile One. On the oil for the 2017-18. On the older model, they take about 6.5, but on this model here is surprised me they changed it to 5.4, so less than 6. And when you put 5 quart in there, you check the distillate, and it's already right there. Okay, it's already right here. Okay, so almost up to the full dot already. So if you put 6.5 like the older model, like the 2014 or 15, it is too much. Okay, so on the 2017 model and 18, it only takes 5.4 quart, so it does reduce a lot. So best way is to fill with 5.4 quart, and then check your dipstick to make sure it's up to the spot that require. Sometimes too little, it will hurt your engine. Too much, a little bit better than not having any oil, but it's not good either. Okay, so that's what they have, fill to the spot only. See, now is right into the dot. Okay, very simple, easy. To set on that, press the start button 2 times. First time, it doesn't turn all the light. Second time, turn all the lights. So that's what you press 2 times. 1 and then 2. So now every light is come on. Okay. So what you have to do, press this right here. Okay. And you have to scroll until you see that round gear right there. Okay. So when you press this right here, you see all that, and then scroll. See, you scroll. Not the first round like this one. You keep going until you see that. After the triangle, okay? After that, and then you press, scroll down, okay? You see, you scroll all this, scroll down all this. So you will see vehicle setting. When you go see vehicle setting, you hit the button in the middle. Boom. And you have all this PBD, tire pressure monitor, and schedule maintenance, oil maintenance, right? So you click on the oil maintenance. You hit that. And you want to reset the data? Yes. Okay. Hit the center button right there and click yes. And now oil is being reset. And thank you for watching. Very simple. You can do yourself at home if you follow this step right here. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.